Welcome to Poul's Kitchen. This is Chef Poul. With me today, Chef Amy.
Hi.
Today we're going to be doing a Indonesian noodle recipe, Mie Goring. I'm probably saying that wrong and I'm really sorry. But I'm trying my best and it's Indonesian and I'm not Indonesian.
It's probably me.
Mie Goring. And please forgive me because I'm going to be passing this off to one of my Indonesian friends. So she's probably going to growl at me a little bit. And that's fine. I don't care. I can take it. But this is a really good noodle dish. She was telling us quite passionately about how amazing it was and how she's in love with the noodles. And she actually used her nickname as Me or Mai. Not sure how she says it, but she loved it that much. So I've got one whole garlic in a pan with a little bit of oil. And I just put this through the food processor. You can chop with a knife if you want. It's just easier with a food processor. If you don't have one, get one. There's no excuse. This will save your life.
And it's only like 20 some bucks.
If that, probably.
Yeah. Depending on what size you get. Yeah.
Yeah. So you don't need to get a super large one. You really don't. So we're going to start that in here. And I'm going to start cooking a little faster than normal just because this is 3 chicken breasts cubed into bite-sized pieces. And I'm choosing to use my wok today. Why? Because I like my wok.
Yeah.
So we're going to have a lot of things going all at once. So just to make life easier, I'm going to do things a little differently than I normally would. But first off, we want to make sure our chicken's cooked all the way through.
Always.
Always. It's chicken. It's really, really important. Gonna take 2 eggs because yes, we're gonna fry those. Amy's gonna have quite a mess to clean up after. And that's fine. Amy said she likes cleaning.
That's fine. It'll be worth it, I'm sure.
I think it will. Ania and me, this is for you. We got a lot of crap here today. We got a lot of work to do, so I'm just going to put a bit of ground black pepper in here. We're using
Swan?
Szechuan pepper.
Yeah.
Szechuan. Love the pepper. It tastes good. It's really, really good. So we're just going to take the pepper, and that's all I'm using. I'm not going to add any salt, and they're going to see exactly why in a second. Alright, so another thing we used about half of the cabbage, we chopped up like that, and then I used a few things of green onion, and that's pretty much it for our vegetables. We're not going to use a whole lot of anything else. Just going to get that ready. Now for the sauce. And you wouldn't believe the amount of work I forced Amy to do yesterday to get this going. And you laugh, and she's laughing now, but we went to 4 different places yesterday.
We couldn't find that ABC soy sauce anywhere.
And this is the brand that you want. You don't want any other brand. You absolutely want this brand. And the reason that you want this brand is because, well, it's got the less sodium.
And it's the only one that's actually thick.
And, well, there's probably other thick ones. But this has less sodium, so it is a better soy sauce.
And we like it.
Yeah, it's a sweet soy sauce. It is quite a bit on the sweet side, and we want to put quite a bit in here.
But it's so good.
I didn't realize that Indonesians use this, but they do. Now I'm using this chili sauce because it's not really hot. Now, Terho, you can dump some hot pepper in here, and you can dump some really spicy chili sauce, and you're more than welcome to do that, and you'd be right to do that. Indonesian food
It's
is
spicy.
spicy. It is what it. That's exactly what it is. It is a spicy, very spicy dish. However, like we said in the past, Amy had her gallbladder taken out and she can't handle spice anymore. I'm going to put a little bit of soy sauce in here, and the whole reason I'm not adding sauce is because, well, guess what? We're adding then some dark soy sauce.
Mmm.
And now I need one more thing. Roasted sesame seed oil. This is oyster sauce. And now just one more thing, and it might be up here. I don't think so. It's in here, but I usually take everything out, but Amy forgot that part, so that's not a big deal.
You found it?
Found it.
Okay,
All right,
good.
some roasted sesame seed oil. And this does not need to be fridged, I don't think.
Oh.
So, I don't know why it was, but not a big deal. I'm not adding any spice to this because I don't really think it needs it. The flavor speaks for itself on here. We're going to give that a little mixture, but before I do that, I want to make sure that I'm taking care of the egg. And to be honest with you, I'm not really interested in how it looks.
No, it doesn't matter. It gets mixed in anyway.
So we're just going to take a moment and stir the sauce because we kind of really want this stirred.
Yeah. It's going to be really, really good.
And again, the most important part here is
Chicken has to be cooked.
chicken has to be cooked. Now you can use prawns in this, chickens and prawns, seafood. If you're making a legitimate Indonesian dish, do not use pork. Why? Because Indonesia is a Muslim country, so they do not eat in any way, shape, or form anything with pork.
They eat a lot of chicken, though.
They eat a lot of chicken, they eat a lot of prawns, a lot of seafood. They do eat beef. I'm not going to lie and say they don't. They do.
But they probably eat a lot more chicken than anything.
Yeah. That would be my guess.
Yeah.
I'm friends with an Indonesian, but I'm not an expert on Indonesia. So I'm just going to take the egg and I'm just going to slice up a little bit. And that's pretty much. Now, noodles
Are done.
are done. We've already done those. So we're using rooster noodles. It's garlic and shrimp noodles. I would have preferred to use my noodles, but
We can't get them in Canada.
I don't think we can, or at least we can't get them for where we went. Now, if I went to an Asian supermarket, maybe, but
It'd be different, yeah.
but we don't have anything really close by, so unfortunately,
No.
that's just not an option. Now I lied and said I'm not going to add spice, but I'm going to add a little black pepper to this. Why? Because I really love the Szechuan pepper. I don't find it hot, guys. It's not really hot, but it does leave a little bit of a numbing sensation in your mouth after you eat it. But
Which is interesting.
it's a very interesting thing.
Yeah.
Please hit that like, share, subscribe button, guys, because it really does help us out. And most of the ingredients you should have around the house. I would encourage you to get the ABC
Soy sauce.
because it's great.
If you can find it.
If you see it, pick it up because it's worth its weight in gold. It's very, it tastes great. It is very sweet, but it also has less sodium. And the less sodium is kind of where I'm kind of aiming more. I'd rather have a little bit of sugar than a whole lot of
Sodium.
Sodium. It's just not good. Now, I understand different cultures, a lot of Asian cultures, they like to eat a lot of salt.
Yes.
We've learned that. In our culture, we kind of do too. However, if you have health issues, and this is part of what making cooking great again is all about, it's learning how to cook healthy without sacrificing your health to do it. Amy is a big noodle person. She absolutely loves noodles, and I think this is about done.
Just cut one and see if the center's good.
It should be this. Take a look.
Yeah.
Amy's a big noodle person herself. Yeah, it looks done to me. Yep.
All right.
So we're good.
Yeah, we're good.
All right, so now we're going to dump the noodles in. Amy likes her noodles a lot. Mie, if you're watching, and I hope you are, because I've been dreaming about doing this all week, and Amy will tell you it's true.
It's true.
And you've been my inspiration on this. So, without you, I probably would not have done this. And yeah, we got a lot of dishes to do. When I say
That's okay.
we got a lot of dishes to do, that means Amy has a lot of dishes to do.
Well, he did the cooking, so it's only fair.
Exactly. And by the way, guys, I'm mostly joking. I do more dishes than Amy does.
He does, but I can do them today. Since I don't have to work.
And then we got the cabbage. Because I have that somewhere else, because we have limited space, so it is what it is. But because of limited space, I sometimes have to move things around a little bit more than I want to.
This is going to be really good, I think.
I think this is going to taste wonderful. Now, if you find you need more noodles, then just
Make more.
Make more. Shouldn't be that big a deal.
It's healthy, too.
The sauce is incredibly easy to make, so
Yeah.
if you feel that it's not saucy enough for you, get my wife and she'll teach you what saucy really is. I'm joking.
Get Paul, because he can make any sauce.
Oh, I don't know about that. I'm not that good, but I can do.
You're really good, though.
But I can do quite a bit.
Yeah.
So that's it for the ingredients. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to mix this sauce in as much as we can. And I will get Amy to help me with this every now and again if my wrists aren't really up for the.
Would it be easier with this?
Maybe. That's what I actually meant to grab. But we stick to our strengths and we do what we can. I don't want anybody to ever think that I'm actually serious in making Amy do the housework. I do a lot more than she does. And there's been a reason. I've been quite ill lately, and I'm feeling better. Don't get me wrong. I'm absolutely feeling a lot better. But she's off at work, and then why is she doing all the work and coming home to do housework? Guys, don't make your wives do all the housework. Like even if she's a stay-at-home wife, still fine. Do a little something. Show her a little bit of gratitude and respect. So I don't think we need to show you the whole thing here because there's a lot to see and do here. But you want to simmer this for a little bit until the cabbage starts breaking down a little bit more, getting soft. But that's pretty much it. It's going to be good. It's going to be amazing. Like I said, this is what making cooking great again is all about. We're just going to spend our time here just tossing and turning a little bit here. The noodles seem like they like to stick a little bit, but Amy can fix that once we're off camera. But just cook this down until the cabbage seems like it's cooked. Once that's done, then your goal, that's really is it. I'm just going to turn the heat up a little bit. But just making sure you're stirring the sauce all the way in, and I'll get Amy to start doing that, and I'll take the camera away from you. I mean, how's this look, Amy?
Amazing.
Are you excited?
Yeah, if we didn't just have breakfast, I'd be tempted to try some.
Yeah, we've got a busy day today, so we've got 2 dishes to film, and we're doing this one now. But it looks pretty good.
Yeah.
So this is what making cooking great again is all about. Please hit that like, share, subscribe button, guys. Because every time you do, you know what it makes Amy want to do? What does it make Amy want to do?
A jumping jack.
She loves it when you share, subscribe, guys. And like I said before, we got a new Poul's Kitchen Facebook group going. Drop us a line, let us know, and we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, let's keep cooking, and let's make businesses lose money from, well, that's a joke. Let's stop eating so much at restaurants, and let's, make cooking great again, doing it at home. Seriously, don't make businesses go out of business. That's not fun.
That's not the point.
But the point is save your money and make things healthier for you. So until next time, have a great day.